morning. I'm cleaning up the kitchen from breakfast, and I wanted to tell y'all about this Fabuloso Holiday Multi-Purpose Cleaner. The scent is Wild Winter Berries, and it smells so good. It's like 10 times better than the Mr. Clean Cranberry, and that one smells good, but this one, like I just want to spray something and wipe it down just to smell this because it's that good. So you just mix like a tiny little bit. I put like, I don't even know. Sissy mixed this one up for me, so I don't know how much. It looks like she put a little bit more, but I put like a few tablespoons in this and then fill it the rest of the way up with water. It makes your house smell amazing. The other day, I sprayed it and I was just busy doing all kind of stuff and I forgot that I had just wiped down stuff in here. And when I came in here, I was like, what is that wonderful smell? And then I remembered it was this. Like, I'm just gonna spray it in the sink and let it sit there.
Mama?
Huh?
I'm trying to open one of my Hot Wheels. This one.
You wanna open that one? It's like a really bright, fresh, Christmassy smell. A lot of y'all have been asking about the Miss Claus soap over here. I got it from Walmart. They were like $3. They have a few different kinds, but anyway, her glasses fell off and the kids just put them up here. She's like, where's my glasses? I can't see. All right, y'all, it's a little while later. I'm trying to fix my apron here. I got the kids started with their schoolwork. They're doing their video lessons, so they don't need my help right now. This thing is twisted. This apron needs some help. Anyway, I'm gonna make some finger foods for church tonight. We're going early, about 2 hours or so early, because we're gonna be decorating the fellowship hall. We've got our Christmas dinner with the church this Sunday. So we're gonna decorate the fellowship hall for Christmas. We also need to go over the Christmas play. So we're gonna be there for a little while, and we'll need some snacks. So we're gonna make some finger foods. We're gonna make some Christmas pinwheels, a hot cocoa, not a hot cocoa, pizza bombs shaped in a Christmas tree, and we already have a gingerbread cake. Sissy made those yesterday.
We're gonna add some of this gingerbread spice into it. He's so cute.
Okay, I'm preheating the oven to 375 for the pizza bombs. We'll make those first, and then while they're cooking, we'll make the pinwheels. For these, we just need refrigerated pizza crust, pepperoni, string cheese. You can just do cheese if you don't want to put the pepperoni, but we're gonna put a little pepperoni in them. We'll need marinara sauce, some melted butter. I'm gonna get that melted in the microwave real quick. And we'll need some garlic powder and basil. Okay, there's the butter. We'll just shake in a little garlic powder and some basil. And we'll just stir that together and set this to the side. We don't need it until after we get the pizza bombs assembled. I'm just gonna spray the pan. We'll go ahead and open up some of the cheese sticks and slice them into smaller pieces. So we're just gonna cut these to about that big. And the pepperoni, we'll just cut these up into a few smaller pieces too. Okay, there's the pizza dough. Now we do need to flatten this out just a little bit. I don't think I'm gonna need to spray it because this already has a little bit of, oh yeah, we're good. We'll just flatten it out a little bit. Now we'll just take the pizza cutter and we're gonna cut the dough into squares. These ends, we'll flatten those out some more here in a minute. So we want them to be about this size right there. And we're just gonna stretch them out a little bit. Put in a cheese stick and a few little pepperoni pieces, and then we're gonna roll it up. Pinch the bottom closed and put them on the pan. Now the shape we bake them in the pan ain't gonna matter because I have a little Christmas tree tray right here that we're gonna put them in to take over to the church. So we're not gonna shape them into the Christmas tree shape now. But if you wanted to do it on the pan, you could just go ahead and shape them into the Christmas tree and do it like that. You can make these ahead of time and just put them in the refrigerator until you get ready to bake them. I'm just going ahead and getting them made because we're gonna be a little busier this afternoon, because before we go over to the church, I've gotta go to a few places. So I'm going ahead and getting mine made and we'll just warm them up. This is the part that takes the longest, so that's why it's, you know, good if you can do this ahead of time at least. And then just pop them in the oven. These are really good, y'all. Every time we make pizza bombs or cheese bombs, they don't last long. Now we'll just brush over the melted butter with garlic and basil. And these are going in the oven for about, I'll start checking them at around 15 minutes. So they'll probably take around 20 to 25 minutes. Now we'll make the Christmas pinwheels. So we have this cream cheese spread. I've got some ranch mix here that we're gonna mix with the cream cheese spread. We're just gonna put this whole container in here because even if we have some left over, this makes a really good dip, just mixing this with the ranch mix. I've had this sitting out for a little bit to soften it some, but it's already, since it's the spread, it's already pretty soft. Okay, we're gonna put in, I'm gonna start with 2 tablespoons of the ranch mix here. Maybe just 1.5 tablespoons. I think that'll be good. Now let me taste it and see if we need a little more ranch in there or if that's good. That's perfect. You don't want to put too much of the ranch mix or it gets too salty. Oh wait, before we start putting them together, we've got to slice up some green onion and a red pepper. There it is. Now we're ready. So we're spreading on some of the cream cheese and ranch. Pizza bombs are done. We're gonna rub some more of the butter mixture on top of them. I forgot to finish chopping the red peppers. Okay, so we're gonna put a few red peppers here and there. A few green onions. And we're gonna put pepperoni. Now we're gonna wrap these in plastic wrap and put them in the refrigerator just for about 20 minutes or so. That way they'll be easier to slice into. Okay, I put these
Laughing all the way.
So I'm just decorating the pizza bomb tray, and the extra ones, we'll just put those on a different platter and then I'll replenish this one, or we'll just let them be on a different one, it's fine. These little trays though are only like $1.40 from Walmart. I should have gotten a couple of them. I'm just putting some rosemary right here. We have red peppers down there. And then we'll just have some of the marinara sauce warmed up in a separate container on the side, and everybody can just get some of that. Grab a pizza bomb and you can dip them. I wonder how it would look to put a few little mozzarella ornaments here and there. Let's see. The kids are taste testing some of the extra. How is it?
It's good.
I've got a slice of pepper jack and this little star cutter, so we're gonna cut a star for the top of the tree.
Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and far away. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. While shepherds kept their watching over silent flocks by night, behold, throughout the heavens there shone a holy light. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and far away. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. The shepherds feared and trembled.